Okay, ladies, welcome to my video on writing expressions to solve real-world problems. We're actually going to write expressions and equations, and they're very similar, and you'll see the difference in just a moment here. All right, so let's get started here. It says, Girls Prep organizes its own film festival with an entry fee of $4. So we're going to pay an entry fee of $4, which is going to be a one-time charge. At the festival, bags of popcorn cost $3 each. So we pay $3 for each bag of popcorn. It says, write an expression and an equation that can be used to calculate the total amount of money. So what are we trying to find here? We're trying to find the total amount of money spent by a student who attends the festival and buys P bags of popcorn. Clearly, when it says P bags of popcorn, we don't know the number of bags, right? Could be 1, could be 2, could be 5. So the expression for this is pretty straightforward. We have our entry fee. So we have our entry fee. That's how much we paid, which was $4. And we're going to add the popcorn. And we know that the popcorn costs $3 per bag. So it's going to be $3 times the number of popcorn bags. In this case, P is our variable. And it makes sense because if we bought one bag of popcorn, it would be $3. If we bought 2 bags of popcorn, it would be $6. If we bought 3 bags of popcorn, it would be $9. So if we bought, any number of popcorn bags like P, for example, it would be 3 times P. And we can simplify 3 times P to just be 3P. So our expression is going to be 4 plus 3 times P. And the equation is pretty much exactly the same, except for you need to have an equal sign, and we're going to set it equal to T. So T equals 4 plus 3P. And T equals, if you couldn't figure it out, equals the total charge. And that just makes sense, right? We're trying to figure out the total charge. That's what's in the problem. And that's why we're going to make our variable for the total charge T. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem. It says that Isabella went to the store and bought a certain number of bagels that each cost 99 cents. So each bagel costs 99 cents. And she bought a bottle of orange juice for $3.50. Notice how it says a bottle of orange juice, indicating that it's just one. But it didn't say the exact number of bagels. It just says a certain number of bagels, right? So we don't know how many. It says write an expression and equation to represent the total cost. So what do we try to find here again? We're trying to find the total cost of her purchase after she buys B bagels. All right? So just like the first one, we know she buys some OJ. And the OJ in this case is $3.50. We represent that as 3 5/10. That's the same thing, or we can just make it 3 50/100. But then she buys some bagels. So we're going to add 99 cents per the number of bagels she buys. Now let's think about this. If she buys one bagel, it's going to be 99 cents. If she buys 2 bagels, I don't know, 2 times 99 cents is going to be $1.98. If she buys 3 bagels, it's going to be 3 times 99 cents, which is going to be $2.97. I'm just estimating here. So if she buys, any number of bagels or B bagels, we can just find it by just multiplying 0.99 times B. So that's our expression. We have 3.5 or 3 50/100 plus 0 99/100 times B. And the equation's the same thing. We just use our total cost. We'll use a variable, and I like using t for total cost. T for total cost. So t equals 3.50 plus 0.99b. Okay, now you are going to do this final example. It says the taxi charges $2.50 as initial fee and then a 70 cents for every mile it drives with the customer. Which expression shows the total cost of a taxi ride for any number of m miles driven? The video is going to pause now, and you are going to figure out the expression on your own. Okay, well, as you can see, the expression should have been $2.50 for the initial fee, right? And it's a one-time fee. But then we're going to add the 70 cents per every mile, or times every mile. And that would have given you the expression B. B is exactly the same thing, it's just rewritten in a different way.